Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to do some deep cleaning around my kitchen, some speed cleaning outside and in my daughter's bathroom, as well as changing out their shower curtain. It is something that is much needed. If this is your first time here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I appreciate you being here so much. In my videos, I like to do things pertaining to home life because I'm a total homebody. I like to cook, clean, and tidy things up, speed clean, do projects, painting, building things, and my husband does car tutorials, dryer tutorials, just, how to fix things. I also love to provide tips along the way. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. We're trying to keep up with our homes, our jobs, our families, and everything else in between. My channel is a positive and safe space. I love to encourage people. The fact of the matter is we all need healing in life, and sometimes you need a cheerleader. So I'm your cheerleader, okay? Breakfast has been made. There is a sink full of dishes and everything else in the kitchen needs a cleaning. So we're just gonna get this wiped down with vinegar. Let me know down below in the comments if you clean with vinegar, if you've ever tried to clean with vinegar, and do you know the benefits that vinegar has? It's a natural disinfectant. So vinegar, I'm gonna need a sponsorship, okay? Your girl uses vinegar all the time. I'm just saying.
No, I don't mind you asking why I let you go. It's just way too much for my hobby, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting.
I will be washing the dishes with the Dawn antibacterial dish soap. That is a tongue twister. I couldn't get it out. I tried like 4 times. One thing that I notice when I'm watching like other cleaning videos is when people do dishes, they do not wash the entire dish. For example, if you have a cup with a handle, I've seen people not wash the handle. I've seen people not wash the handles of their spatulas and also like their pots and pans. It's imperative to wash the entire dish. Just think about all of the food particles, grease buildup, all that great stuff that is on the entire dish, not just the area that was, cooked in. It's everywhere and it's gross. So saying all that to say, wash the entire dish. In one of my videos, I had mentioned making bacon in the microwave because it makes it so crispy and just amazing. Anyway, I've been having to clean my microwave out like every other day because the grease is real. It's just insane. But you know what? It is worth it because like I said, the bacon's the bomb in the microwave. Let me know below in the comments if you've tried that before. The microwave is your friend. The other thing that I like making in the microwave is broccoli. I never knew you could do that. Well, obviously I knew you could make broccoli in the microwave, but the fact that it just makes it so amazing, I'm telling you, I like to eat, okay? I'm a foodie. So, if I can make a quick meal and one of the ingredients requires being in the microwave, I'm all for it. There's nothing like a good sink clean. I love it. When you're finished cleaning your sink, be sure to dry it out to conserve the life. One thing that I've been thinking about is purchasing a RoboVac. Let me know if you have one in the comments below and if you like it. I've never owned one. I don't even know how they work, but I know that you have to map a path or something like that. At any rate, yeah, just let me know if you like them or not. You can't really go a day without sweeping in this area for the simple fact that there's just so much debris that gets around. Not really sure why, because we don't wear our shoes in the house, but I could literally sweep the floor in the morning and then have to do it again in the evening just because there's just that much debris. So I'm thinking that a RoboVac would definitely help me out in that area, especially days where I'm feeling lazy and I don't feel like doing anything. The mop that I'm using is an O-CEDAR mop. O-CEDAR is my homie. He is my man. He never does me wrong. He always shows up and does the job. The thing about this is there is no spray cartridge thing I have to spray. And when I clean the floors, I clean them off with vinegar. I don't know why I always get tongue-tied, but there's just certain words that just twist my tongue, I guess. Here's what the kitchen's looking like. It looks good, it smells good, and I feel good. The kitchen is really the heart of my home, and I like it to be tidy and clean and clutter-free. Here is what I am working on today. It's not going to take me long. I'm just going to do a really quick speed clean in here. This is my children's bathroom. I don't know if you can see in the mirror all of the dirt and dust. And actually, this mirror is actually pretty clean. And if we turn this way, sorry about the lighting, this, what do you call it? What's that thing called? Shower curtain. The shower, I am replacing the shower curtain. So I'm really excited about that because I've been trying to find a shower curtain for a very long time. I'm a very indecisive person, so it was not easy finding a shower curtain. I have been looking for a long time. Not gonna tell you how long because you're probably gonna make fun of me. But I feel like that is what, I don't know, I just feel like that's what I do with everything. I'm still looking for nightstands 2.5 years later, so I don't know. Anyway, this is what we're working on today.
We've been laying here for weeks. We're not talking anymore. It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we
So I'm going to be using vinegar to clean off everything else in the bathroom.
think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to
Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn the sun. Were high on me, wanted to hide with me.
When cleaning in the bathroom, I really like to use disposable products such as paper towels, Clorox wipes, that sort of thing. However, I still spray my vinegar or whatever cleaner that I'm using to clean the bathroom. There's just a lot of bacteria that goes on in a restroom, especially if you do not put your toilet seat down when you flush. Think about it like this. If you flush with the toilet open, there's a splash that's going to occur. And all of that splash is going to cause bacteria to grow. And sometimes your bathroom may have an odor. That's the reason why.
do you feel for one more kiss?
So I have the solution of alcohol, vinegar, and Dawn dish soap. I'm going to clean the shower out with that.
It's like we're scared of trying. So different from when we started off. No, we're just like, think it's time to call it quit. Think it's time to
Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn the sun. Were high on me, wanted to hide with me. Take me back to Mexico, that Cancun sun would turn.
How are you guys doing today? What have you been working on? What have you been doing? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always talking, so I need you guys to let me know how you're doing as well because I do care for each and every one of you. I recently read a quote that says, "Being heard is so close to being loved that for the average person, they are almost indistinguishable." That quote is the bomb and it is so true. So just know that you are loved, you are heard, and this is a safe space for you. Your voice matters. You are enough. And I hope you really believe that. My new shower curtain came with 2 different types of hooks. We have the plastic white, I almost said yellow hooks. And then the same hooks that I just took off and threw away because they were kind of rusted and old. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to put on. Let me show you the shower curtain. This is what it's looking like. Hopefully you can kind of tell. So leave a comment down below and let me know which one you would choose to put on the shower curtain. Totally digging the black rugs, obviously, you know, kind of contrasting with the gray. And here is what the shower curtain is looking like. Much better than the other one. I decided to go with the silver hooks just because I like them better. Moving along to my downstairs, one thing that I have noticed is a lot of people don't clean their doors off, but in my house, all of my doors are white, so you could definitely see when there's dirt on them, but it's very important to disinfect them just because, you know, we touch them all of the time. So I'm cleaning the door off with vinegar, and the glass part, I'm cleaning it with Sprayway glass cleaner. I have been in complete and utter denial about the season changing. I don't know why, but I feel like in the wintertime, that seasonal depression hits different, and I'm definitely not looking forward to that. I do have what they call a SAD lamp, which it's seasonal affective disorder, meaning that you get seasonal depression when it's gloomy outside and there's no sunlight. I do have one of those lamps. They do work well, but sometimes I just am not consistent with it. But this year I'm really going to try to be consistent. The light is known for helping you produce vitamin C during that time of the year. And I live in Ohio and it's so gloomy, so gloomy, like it's ridiculous gloomy in the winter time. I filled this bag up with yard waste. Thank God my mom was here. She had a bag in her trunk. The Homeowners Association in my development is responsible for keeping up with the grass and the ground, so there is no company that will pick up yard waste. So I had to put it right back in my mom's car so that she can take it home and have it picked up from her home. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate you. I know that you could be doing so many other things, and I try to not make my videos too long, but I really appreciate all your comments, all of your encouragement, and your kind words. Here are some of the items that I'm going to decorate my little front stoop with. It's not really a porch, it's a stoop.
No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten.
Little something for the front area stoop thing that I have going on here. And I tried to put some leaves on there, but I didn't like it. So I probably should have super glued them so that they would be, you know, in place. But if they're not, or if the wind's blowing, I can just remove them. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.